Hello, kids! Welcome to our channel. Chroma Kids Creations today. I am telling the story, The Enchanted Forest Adventure. Let's start.
Wow, what a beautiful day. I wonder what adventures await us in this enchanted forest.
Hello, Timmy. Ready for a magical adventure today?
Absolutely, Bella. Let's explore together.
Well. Look who's here for some fun. Follow me, friends.
Welcome, young ones. I am Grumpy, the wise old tree. Seek the Rainbow Bridge if you wish to discover the true magic of this forest.
Oh, Rainbow Bridge, where is it?
I know the way. Follow my guidance and you shall find the Rainbow Bridge.
Teamwork is the key, my friend. We're stronger together.
Every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow.
Behold the Rainbow Bridge. It can only be crossed with a kind heart and true friendship.
Thank you all for helping me. I've learned so much on this adventure.
The magic of kindness has truly awakened the enchanted forest.
Remember, young ones, the real magic is within your hearts.
And so, Timmy and his friends discovered that kindness, teamwork, and friendship were the true magic that made the enchanted forest come alive. May their adventures inspire others to spread love and joy wherever they go.